It's been a while since I've shown my locks some TLC, so today I did an aloe vera deep conditioning session. You guys know how I feel about this plant. It has so many benefits for the hair and the skin. It nourishes and strengthens hair, it helps with itchy scalp, and it aids in stimulating hair growth. It's very cooling for the skin and can even heal minor skin irritations. To extract the gel from the aloe vera, I just lightly scrape down on the jelly part and it instantly liquefies. I do about 3 aloe veras to get this amount. You really don't need much because a little bit goes a long way, and when I'm applying it, there's no method. I just want to ensure that my entire scalp gets covered and also the entire length of my locks. So I just bed it up a bit here, but my aim is to just get the aloe vera gel everywhere, and I leave this in for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes it sort of starts to annoy me because the slime starts dripping down my neck and I just want to get it out of my hair, but 30 minutes is enough for me because by the time I rinse it out, my hair is so silky and soft. I just can't get enough. I enjoy doing this aloe vera on my locks because I notice that my locks look a lot healthier, it seems stronger, it's shinier. It's very beneficial, and I'll continue doing this for the foreseeable future. So once everywhere is covered, I get the steam cap next and I let it sit, I let it simmer, I let it soak. And then after that 30 minutes, when I rinse it out, that's my favorite part. So I just gather everything at the top of my head, throw that steam cap on, and then when I come back, I'll show you how my locks look without oils, without anything added to it. This is my locks right after rinsing that aloe vera out. It's very soft. As you could see, I don't know if you could tell, but I'll go ahead and apply oil, and you can use any oil of your choice. I'm using some argan oil today, very light oil. You don't want to use any products that are too heavy. The only exception would be Jamaican black castor oil, which is a bit thicker, but it's also a very, very good oil for fast hair growth. But I just ensure that all my scalp is oiled. No method to this, I just put it everywhere, as well as on the length of my locks to really seal that moisture that came from the aloe vera. So let me know in the comment section if you would try aloe vera on your hair, or if you have tried it, or what natural products do you use for deep conditioning your hair, or to give it some extra moisture. And definitely don't forget to like and subscribe and join the family if you rock with your girl like that. If you like these videos, this is my hair. I love the way it looks, I love the way it feels. Let me know if you try aloe vera hair mask in your hair.